What's going on, my YouTube fam? Today, I have a special review, something completely different. You know how I do things, guys. I'm not into just the hype and all the whole famous all things. No. I'm always looking into the future. Run my intro. We got to get into these immediately. What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all good things, guys. This shoe right here was sent to me by 3D Change Life. And when I'm talking about the future of technology, you guys know I'm into technology. Yes, I love my retros. I love all my Jordans. I love my shoes. But when it comes to technology, this is the future right here. And when they sent me these shoes, they were very blatantly honest with me, do an honest review on them, and tell me what you think about the actual shoe. Well, I had it for a couple of days, and I wore them around the studio. And not just from my studio, I took them back to my house. And I said, you know what? These things are worth walking around in for a few hours. Let's put it like this, guys. It was already like 3 days into it, and I still didn't want to take them off because they are comfortable, guys. So you know what? Let's get into the presentation, and of course, then we'll get into the shoes. The presentation, guys, all the cardboard is solid. I'm talking about grade A presentation when it comes to this shoe. Very beautiful. Right in the front of the lid, it says 3D Change Life. All in blue with a silhouette and a lighter blue 3D printed shoes. Yes, guys, these are 3D printed shoes. On the front of the lid, it says 3D Change Life, like if it was a Google search or something like that. Let the 3D change your life. On the side of the box, you see 3DX1. That is the style of the actual shoe. Color black, size 43. Yes, guys, it is European sizes, so make sure that you get your size correctly. I am gonna leave the links below, and I'm gonna leave a coupon code. All you have to do is type in there Primo25. You get yourself a good discount for these bad boys. Let's get back into the presentation. On the other side of the lid, 3D Change Life. Let the 3D change your life as well, the same thing. And on the other side of the lid, it says enhanced breathability, feather light cushioning, shock absorption, 3D printed innovation. And the bottom half of the box inside is white, very thick cardboard like I was saying, and it says 3D Change Life. Let the 3D change your life. And right in the bottom it says 3dchangelife.com. The shoes come wrapped in this nylon, very good quality, with the papers inside to keep it in form. And it also comes with the actual sample of what your shoes are going to be made out of. Very nice. I like that. As a matter of fact, I could even give this to one of my pets so they can play with it. But very nice. I love the presentation of these shoes. And that's pretty much it for the presentation. Very good presentation. I'm telling you, some of the higher brands should be doing presentations like this. Quality presentations that I'm always complaining about, that you pay $200, $220, $250 for a shoe and it does not come with a presentation like this. It comes with a horrible box. It's just certain things have to be fixed when it comes to other companies, but these guys are doing it correctly. Very good presentation. And the ball, of course, that goes to the pet. And now we get to the shoes. Just before we keep going, the shoes are actually tied together with this nice stamp that says 3D with a thick black line behind it. 3D printed shoes, and on the other side is identically the same. When it comes to this, guys, you actually gotta cut it off. So you already know what I gotta use. Yes! Primo's Massive Cleaver. Yes, guys, the ultimate protection. Alright, now that I got it off, it is time for the future right here, guys. Check it out. The shoe itself is very simple. The whole shoe is very simple. You see a beautiful 3D print all the way through. Very soft, very cushiony. Nothing that actually disturbs your foot when you actually have your foot in it. And the whole bottom technically looks like the piece that comes as a sample of what your shoes are made out of. When it comes to the ankle collar of the shoe, it is very nice, doesn't bother you whatsoever. This is a very nice outdoor shoe or inside of the house. In my case, I did a lot of things when I was in my crib, and I was walking out, I was inside, I went, I fed my animals, I did all type of things with the shoes, even though, I had to clean them up and, put them back in presentation order so I could show them to you guys. And at the same time, you could see if there was any type of damage. And I'm telling you guys, it had no damage whatsoever. Check out the sole of the shoe. It held up perfect. It was easy to clean, very easy to clean. And I'm telling you, I have no complaints about it whatsoever. And in the inside of the shoe, guys, there is no insole or anything like that when it comes to this. It's just full 3D printed, very comfortable and very soft. That's one thing that got me from surprise when it comes to it. It was very comfortable, and I love the design on the side of the toe boxes, how it became a little bit of solid. Very nice, man. I'm really pleased with this shoe, and I'm extremely happy that they sent it to me for me to review. And something new, something different, a lot of technology. I love technology. That's what I'm into, guys, and I'm telling you, it's real nice. But to give it the final conclusions over here, guys, when you're gonna put them on, it does have a tab in the back, just in case you get stuck on the front or something like that. Even though I truly didn't have a problem with it putting it on, I could have just put my finger behind my heel and easily would have gone in. But just in case, you could grab it by that tab in the back. So yes, guys, very, very nice. Now, when it comes to sizing, go true to size on this. You're gonna have plenty of space, guys. You're gonna have plenty of space. And I am gonna show you right now on foot when it comes to putting them on and how easily it actually is to put on. I am wearing socks also that, will make it a little bit more difficult. But as you guys can see, it's easily to put on. I didn't even need, honestly, not even to grab the tab in the back. Very well made shoe. So I suggest you to go true to size 100%. I am a 9.5 mainly in my shoes and all my sneakers, and I went 9.5. That is a 43, and man, it was on the money, guys. It was on the money, and it actually has good amount of space in it too for white footers. When it comes to styling, I tell you one thing, guys, it's not what you guys are used to. I'm gonna admit that it's not what you guys are used to, but if people were wearing the foam runners, yes, guys, I'll show them to you right now. Yes, I do have the foam runners, the infamous foam runners. If people were wearing this, why not wear this? You know what I'm saying? I'm realistic when it comes to things, guys, and I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. And I'm not being biased by this because they sent me the shoes or anything like that. As a matter of fact, these were actually gifted to me also, and I'm gonna be truthful. I take the 3D Change Life over the Yeezys any day of the week. Way more comfortable, easier to put on when you're wearing socks. It's way more breathability. I don't know what's the reason. Maybe because the bottom is actually 3D printed and air could flow through it, and these things, I personally don't like them, guys, but it is what it is. Very good shoe. Very good shoe. 3D Change Life. You guys have killed the game with this. I love it. I'm gonna keep wearing them. That's it. I don't have to worry about the reviews because now I can just wear them and enjoy them. You know what I'm saying? Not have to just test them out. So yes, I'm gonna leave the links below. There's the link, and I actually have the promo code that you guys can use, or coupon code, however you guys want to put it. Primo25. Don't forget to use that Primo25, guys. You help out the channel, and at the same time, you get one good discount when it comes to these bad boys right here. So yes, guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you, 3D Change Life, for sending me these shoes, and very honest review I am doing on them, and that's why I like to be serious when it comes to actually reviewing shoes that were sent to me and give the biggest honest review when it comes to something like this. And I'm telling you guys, it is worth every penny. This is a dope ass shoe, guys. Anyways, that's all for today, guys. Of course, keep your ball rolling, look into the future, and stay away from the hype, man. The hype puts you down. You gotta look into the future technology, guys. Till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace. El cohete.